Welcome to this energy recovery practice. I invite you to sit somewhere where you're comfortable, as long as your spine is straight. It can either be on the floor or on the chair with your feet firmly on the ground. And just take some time to balance yourself. Feel you have your weight evenly distributed on both sides of the body. And starting to feel the body from the inside. Making each inhale a little deeper and a little fuller and even slower, really just sipping in the air. And when you exhale, slowly releasing the air, but exhaling a little bit more than you normally would. Often when we breathe, we don't take full deep breaths and full exhales. So that means that we can have a lot of stagnant air in the body. When we really breathe in all the way up to the top of our lungs, we're just getting so much more oxygen and prana. When we really exhale, that means we're releasing all of the old air and making more space for new air to come in and nourish us. The practice we're doing today is called Prana breathing. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen, and there's prana in that breath as well. And of course, in the body will make carbon dioxide, which we need to exhale. But the prana, we actually want to go deep into our bodies. So in this practice, when you exhale, imagine that carbon dioxide is leaving, but prana is going deeper into the body. So in some ways, it will kind of feel like a second inhale because you're inhaling oxygen. And then when you exhale, you're really imagining the prana going deep into your tissues, deep into the bloodstream, and nourishing all of you. Not even just your human aspect, but your being as well. This prana, life force energy. So this works even more deeply when you do take longer breaths, really breathing in and filling up the lungs all the way to their top. And then breathing out slowly, imagine carbon dioxide leaving and prana going deeper and deeper into your body. In fact, so we can really feel this and make sure the prana goes all the way through us, start with your right leg, and when you exhale, imagine the prana is going deep into the right leg, all the way down to the toes. And every time you exhale, imagine the right leg filling up with this prana, life force energy, really concentrating it. And then when the right leg feels full, move your attention to the left leg. And every time you breathe out, imagine the prana going all the way down to the left toes and slowly filling up every time you exhale. And imagine more prana going in. And when the legs feel full, imagine the prana filling up all of the abdomen. It's nourishing all your reproductive organs, your digestive organs, your colon, your spleen, your liver, your gallbladder. Feel all the organs really being nourished by this prana. Your lungs and your heart. And then feel the prana start to fill up from your right hand down to the fingers. So every time you're breathing out, you're feeling more prana life force energy pushing deep into your tissue. And then filling up on the left arm. Really exhaling air all the way out to let go of the carbon dioxide and feel the prana being pushed deeper and deeper into the body. And then finally coming to your head space, your neck and your shoulders. And again, with each exhale, feel these areas being nourished with the prana. Now feel all of your body full of this pranic energy. It's more than just oxygen. You've really been focusing on bringing more You've really been focusing on bringing in more vital life force energy to all of your body. Feel it filling up your aura that's about 30 centimeters around you. And just stay sitting with this energy, feeling cocooned in it. And feel like you are just kind of simmering in this energy. You're marinating in this energy and it's nourishing you. Enjoy this little energetic spa. It's best that you do the pranic breathing exercise somewhere where you're in a private space and you feel you're more in your own energy. And you can bring your hands down to your hara or energy center when you're finished. And imagine this center storing all the energy that you've created during this practice, and know that you can call on it anytime you need. I hope you found this useful and have a beautiful day.